kungonyora nyaya yako toifambira. Let's get to find out Tangamira say nasi Manwe.
Yebo asingene go hot topic yetu ya namhlanje. Lalelani. Hi KVG, hi 3 to 6 Express. I am a woman makore 37 and ndiri mushandi weMumba kuma surbub. I have been working for this couple for close to 12 years. Ndashanda at this house and have never experienced any issues. Iniwo, I try my best kuita basa nemazvo. My hotsotso is last year. Ndakatora my son who is 20 years old, turning 21 end of December. Kuti auye kuno kuzogara neni. Ndakapiwa a 2-bed cottage in a bathroom. So I go to main house for basa chete. My boss has 4 kids. Ndakabatsira kurera 2 of them, vadiki. Their eldest is now 19, and ndipo pane hot topic. 3 weeks ago, per weekend, my boss's vakabuda nevana, and their eldest daughter akaramba kuenda. So takaswera tese, I did most of the cleaning. By 12, I was done. Zvese nekubika lunch. For later, kanana mama vadzoka. I went to my cottage and fell asleep for about an hour or so. When I woke up, my son was not in the house, so I checked kugarden, anga asiko. I thought maybe abuda kumbonoona shamwari dzake. I decided to go and check if everything was in order ku main house. I had washed dish towels, so I went kuseri kuline and heard people talking mumba neMwanasikana. I got closer and opened the lace curtain and saw my son and boss daughter in a compromising position. So I rushed into the house. They were both topless, my son in shorts. I started beating him near broom. As for the girl, I couldn't exactly do much because I don't know how she will react or say to her parents. I just asked her to dress up and went to my cottage to deal with my own son. Ndaida Kuziva kuti how long vachidanana and if they have done anything more than what I saw. And he said it was the first time the girl invited him to her room, but they had been communicating per phone. I took the phone, and what I saw was heartbreaking, sending each other pictures and videos vachigeza. So in my head I thought kudzosera mwana kumusha, but arikuenda kuchikoro chemagetsi handikwanise kuti amire asati apedza. Nyaya iyi yandiremera semubereki nemushandi zvekare. I really don't know how to explain this to my bosses. In fact, ndotaura here nyaya iyi. I have tried kuisa ziso pavana to make sure nothing happens, but ndinovarindira kusvika rini. Ndinoitsanangura sei kuvarungu vangu. I took phone yemwana in the meantime, but solution chaiyo ndoita sei. Thank you, ladies. Yo hot topic yetu ya namhlanje.
Well, thank you too, Manwe, for our hot topic for today. You can feel free to connect with us on our WhatsApp platform. Vanobatsirika say nyaya yakaitika pamba pavanoshanda mai ndofunga matsanangura nyaya zviri clear and zvakudare kuti tinovabatsirawo sei imimi muchatifonera on 0772162651. Uri mushandi, uri mubereki zvakare, you're trying to protect your son, but uri kuonawo zvakare kuti simba, especially vana vakura kudaro pamwe hauna, and you're saying kuti pamwe ndinogona kuvatarisa neziso, but ndinosvika rini ndichivarindira. I think that is her concern. A message coming from 121, last digits of your number. She's saying kuti I feel kuti as much as nyaya iyi yakaoma ngangodzosere mwanakomana kumusha nyaya, I don't think it's important kuti utaure kuvarungu nekuti unogona kubuda basa. Another message also coming in on our WhatsApp platform says, this is a difficult one. Asimwana ngangoenda if she values her job. I don't know how old the girl is, but if she's underage, anogona kusungiswa. I think she mentioned the mwana Saki. Sorry, you will help me out there.
She is 19.
All right.